Bybit, in my opinion, is the greatest crypto platform out there. But what if I told you by signing up with the affiliate link in my video, you can get access to an exclusive crypto giant group with whales, with educators, with people that are making massive money in the crypto markets by following the right people. Now, this is at your fingertips for free, but all you have to do is use that link down below. If you decide to go off scale and sign up to Bybit on your own and you say, hey, I'm part of Bybit now, I don't work for Bybit, so I can't give you access to this group. But if you tell me use that link down below and you can show a screenshot of that affiliate back office, all right, I promise you, you're going to get access to one of the greatest groups you've ever seen before. Now, guys, let's get into this video. But no, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. I do not work for BybitSharks or Bybit. I'm just telling you that I've used BybitSharks a lot, which is that exclusive group, and it has helped change my life. I've also used Bybit since I started out in crypto. It is by far the best crypto platform. Combining these two together is a no-brainer. So I'm going to go through these today. Make sure you stay to the end of the video, and let's rock. All right, guys, so you can see here at BybitSharks.com what I was talking about in the introduction. This is the community that's going to help you inside the crypto market. Now, there is no better community out there, in my opinion. You might be able to tell me different in the comments. But if you want to join Bybit for free and get this community for free, all you have to do is make sure you use that link down below. I'm going to be going back and forward in the video between BybitSharks and Bybit, showing you the benefits of both. But a quick overview before we dive into how to sign up to Bybit is you're going to have exclusive promotions, VIP deal, brokering, sub-affiliate consulting, loads of news feed. I'm going to go into the Telegram, show you exactly what you get, copy trading access, and soon, guys, you're going to have the news trading terminal, which is what everybody is talking about, guys. This is the exclusive group that you get for free just by using that link in the description of this video. So let me show you first how to make an account with Bybit. If you're struggling to grow your social media, there is one amazing platform out there that I've used and I know pretty much every single YouTuber has used. Now, that is the sponsor today. It's SMM Go. If you go to smmgo.io, you're going to see how you can change whatever social media business you have into a rocket ship. They're going to help you every single step of the way. You get real services with real speed and honest and transparent customer service. So guys, if you're looking to boost your social media and you just don't have the time or you just don't know how to do it, go to smmgo.io today, hit the link in description. But let's get back to the video. So you can see here, guys, I have an account inside of Bybit and I use the affiliate link, which means I got access to that community. But I'm going to log out because I want to show you people how to do it, because I know people get confused with exactly what to do. So first thing we're going to do, guys, is use that affiliate link in the description. Then you're going to sign up to this with this button here. Okay, it's going to ask you where you live. Then it's going to ask you for your email, mobile number. This will just look like X's, guys, if you've clicked that affiliate link. If you haven't, please do it because you're only going to get access to BybitSharks if you do. Enter your mobile number and then simply create an account. And then you're going to verify your email. Obviously, you've just seen I already have one. Okay, and then once you've signed up, guys, you just need to verify your account. Okay, just click this button and start verifying with the KYC. Once you've done that, take a screenshot. You can send it to BybitSharks, all right? They're going to give you access to this group, all the benefits that they get. And again, I'm going to dive into this very, very soon, so stay with this video. But first, I want to talk about a few features on Bybit that are absolutely insane. So number one, which is the most important, is when you're trading anything, whether it is on Bybit or a different platform, if you do ignore me, make sure you only follow this one rule of trading demo. All right, now the reason you're trading demo, you can see here demo trading, is because you don't want to lose your own money when you don't know what you're doing. Okay, that's the main reason. Now, if you're a world-class trader and you're watching this video, all right, fair enough. Trade with your own money. That's absolutely fine. If you don't know what you're doing, just choose 100K demo, which is fake. And if you lose it, it doesn't matter. You can just get another 100K and lose it again the next day. Yes, if you win miraculously, you're not going to make the money. But we're here to learn. All right, so use demo trading no matter what until I say after 30 days, you consistently stay in profit, then start to use your own money. I do not want anyone to lose. I don't care if it benefits anyone. I don't want you to lose money. All right, I would rather that than anybody make any affiliate cash off you at all. So use demo and it'll save you a lot of time. Once you've passed out, okay, of the demo stage and you're profitable, then start to put your own money in. Then you can start to use different tools like this. So we're going to go into some of the tools right now, guys, which are absolutely insane. But before we do that, I want you to go into the BybitSharks community. Let me show you exactly what it looks like. All right, so this is the BybitSharks community. You can see here, guys, I use it all the time. That's why there's not a lot of notifications on here. They have number one at the top, Sharks Trades and Commentary, which is going to be talking about the actual trades that the BybitSharks admin are putting on. And I can tell you guys, just from meeting these a few times, they are whales in this space. You wouldn't believe it. So what they're putting on usually points towards massive, massive gains for my portfolio. I'm not saying it's going to do it every single time for you, but you see here, there's 25% profit. Took that. It's absolutely insane. They have an interesting section, guys, which is a little peak of interest, which is going to show you things that are happening, but might not correlate purely with a trade. They might do, okay? So you might see someone sold 10 billion. Look at this. Let's just go on this one right here. So someone predicted Trump getting shot in the ear and Kirk's murder predicts absolute housing crash of 2026. This might mean nothing to the crypto market, but because we're in it, we know it's going to mean something. So you've got to try and find what it means and how that's going to affect your portfolio. We've got the KOL commentary, which is people like me, all right, talking about what's going on in the crypto world. If you are in crypto, you know that YouTube and Twitter is the most important because we get the information as fast as we can and we get it out to you. If you're only following people that do try to copy other people's information, you're never going to be the first in there. All right, we have the paid group relays. We have the crypto news, which is talking about all the different bullish sides of crypto and bearish, trying to get you in the market at the exact right time. If it's a bit confusing for you guys, again, start that demo trading, start learning. If they say something on here, use a demo trader. But you never know, guys. You could be picking this up pretty quick. We have the alerts, which is going to tell you what's going on in the markets. You can see here, like Binance Futures at 43.67 billion. All right, if people are going to sell off 20 billion Bitcoin, it's going to say in here, so you can make a educated decision for yourself if you're still going to carry on with that long Bitcoin trade. We have the daily reviews, guys, going over the recap of the weeks of crypto. Really, really interesting. This is going to tell you exactly about BTC, Ethereum, anything in the crypto market, what's happening, what's going on with the federal government, what they're doing, what is going on in the crypto world. Now, you don't need to research it yourself because BybitSharks will do this for you. It's got a general discussion and much more, guys. I don't want to go crazy showing you all the different bits in here. You're going to get it for free anyway. But just know that BybitSharks is that exclusive community for you, and all you had to do for it was sign up to Bybit, which you were probably going to do because you're watching this video, and it never cost you a penny. And I'm telling you to go demo trading. So you're actually losing nothing for a long time. You're just gaining knowledge. So guys, once you're in here, all right, that's absolutely fantastic. Copy everything that they say in BybitSharks and then put it onto a piece of paper and use your own initiative and education to decide if it's something you want to follow. If you don't want to do any of that, all right, you want to go into the BybitSharks, but you want to copy someone's actual trading, not just copy their information. All right, guys, and you're going to follow some of the tools or traders in there. Now, one of the biggest ones is copy trading. Copy trading is amazing. And how this works is you're going to go down here and you're going to find many profiles that have a lot of green. All right, and you're going to say, hey, this looks amazing, but you need to do your research because you can see here 249% is amazing. But if you joined today, you'd be down 20%. You'd be saying to me, this doesn't work. You need to look as a long-term investment here. So copy trading means there's a trader out there that's put themselves forward and said, I'm pretty good. You might want to copy me. So if we go to Top Grinder here, they've said they're pretty good. And the followers profit and loss right now is plus 17,000. All right, which is absolutely insane. They have a 99.72% win rate. So instead of you analyzing, you learning how to trade, you using all of the money to make mistakes, you can just copy this guy and have a 99.72% win rate. All right, that's an ROI of 95.82%. You've nearly doubled your money every single month. That's insane. If we actually go back 30 days, I don't know if this person's been going on for a long time. You can see there that 300%. So every single month, doubling your money. So if you put $1,000 in and copied this trade over the last 3 months, you would be sat over $3,000, guys. That's absolutely insane. Okay, just after the 1 month and a half, after the whole 90 days, you're looking at about $6,000, $7,000. This is why copy trading is so important. But I'm not saying in the next 90 days it's going to do the exact same. You need to do it and make the decision for yourself. Now, as we get into automated bots, this is something that a lot of people like because they're not copying a human. You're taking out the human risk, but you're going straight into the bot risk. All right, so you can follow these bots that are going to make money for you. Again, they might not make the exact same percent next month, so you might lose in the first couple of days and go, hey, you told me I was going to win. Yeah, well, that's what it said on the sheet. All right, make sure you follow someone that consistently over time makes money. So let's have a look at this bot right here. All right, this is 235%. Okay, with a P&L of 589, and you can copy this. The running time was 681 days. So 681 days, and they're still up 235%. That to me is a safe bet. So if I was putting my money in for Fusion Rankings, it would go here. Again, you can go to any of the different ones, guys, and copy. So whether it's copy trading or bots, that is for you. And again, in the Bybit community, guys, they do have people that are setting up copy traders. They do have trades in there you can copy. So make sure if you don't find someone Bybit that you don't want, you can go there. That's why it's really good to have both. Now, they both also have education on here. Okay, so if you want to learn, you can go into the Bybit Learn section, start learning exactly what it means to be a crypto trader. I'm not here to teach you, so please dive into that. And in the Bybits, like I showed you in the Telegram, BybitSharks is also teaching you the real stuff, not just what they're going to put on a website for free, but actually the real exclusive crypto trading knowledge in that group that you need. So guys, it is a benefit to having both. There's no point in not having both because it's free. If you want to get into BybitSharks, you need to use that link in the description. Please remember that. Sign up to Bybit and use demo trading. Or if you are rich or a very good trader and you don't care, then please put your money in safely and follow someone that's actually making a lot of money. There you go, guys. Do me a huge favor. Hit that like button. Please tell me in the comments if you did like this video and if you like the sound of BybitSharks or Bybit. Together, they're a massive team. I cannot explain hard enough how well they have changed my life, guys. My profit is going up like crazy. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell if you want to be notified. And I'll see you on the next video.